Squid Game Pinoy actor revelation, a certified SB19 fan. Nanguna pa sa pistang Pinoy sa Korea. Nakaka-proud maging 18, that's the exact words of Christian Lagahit, a Filipino actor in Korea known for his role in Squid Game and other K-dramas. That is his caption in an SB19 Gento performance video in Pistang Pinoy sa Korea that he posted. Ayon pa sa kanya, it was indeed an amazing experience meeting them in person and watching them live. Ayon pa dito, nang makita niya ang Mahalima in person, lahat ng hahatak talaga. And when asked kung mayroon bang mga fans na Korean, ang sagot nito, meron po. In fact, yung iba nakikiusap pa makapasok sa likod. Ang solid lang din talaga ng suporta ng 18 Korea sa Mahalima.